Now, there's been so much going on with AMC stock lately, it's a little bit crazy. We've got Adam Aron going out and spending roughly $30 million to buy a stake in HYMC, the gold mining company, and you got people speculating as to whether or not Adam Aron is going to be backing cryptocurrency with gold, whether or not Adam Aron is playing some game of 3D chess, or whether or not Adam Aron is probably just bailing one of his friends at Mudrick Capital out of a bad investment. We've got just... The speculation is nuts. Guys, everything doesn't necessarily have to have an underlying meaning. Some things should be taken at face value. And I want to talk about that in this video because we've got people coming out of everywhere telling you to look in every direction other than just buying AMC and holding AMC. Now, I do want to touch on whether or not AMC should, in fact, issue a cryptocurrency. And I also want to talk about whether or not you should be investing in other stocks because some people are telling you, man, no, AMC only ever AMC, don't buy. It's getting a little out of hand. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 5 free stocks right now, and then any $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, they are down there as well. But let's talk about a couple things here, okay? Now, just the latest story from Adam Aron is this Hycroft Mining, gold mining company. And I'm not going to jump too far into the, rabbit hole on what Adam Aron is planning on doing or whether or not Adam Aron was just returning a friendly favor to somebody who bailed him out back in late 2020, early 2021 with Mudrick Capital. Now, Let's go the cryptocurrency route for a second here. And just to show you how people can come in there, man, and plant a seed of doubt and tell you you're doing something wrong and tell you how to spend your money. If AMC stock were to issue a cryptocurrency, Adam Aron has mentioned this several times, there's a lot involved with a known publicly traded company issuing a cryptocurrency, and they have to make sure they separate that and differentiate that from an issuance of a security. If Adam Aron wants to go raise money to pay down debt, if Adam Aron wants to go raise money to further business purposes, and he does that through a crypto, he has to make sure in no way any of the gains or any of the equity in that crypto is tied to AMC Entertainment, or it can be construed as a security. There's a fine line when you have a company issuing crypto in that way, because anytime it's a security or could be interpreted as a security, then it has to be regulated by the SEC, the regulatory filings have to go through, and it would become a nightmare for AMC Entertainment. Now, let's say that AMC does issue a cryptocurrency, it has no problems in the securities line, and it is considered a crypto. Are you going to be able to spend your money on it? Are you going to be able to go out there and buy shares of AMC's cryptocurrency or buy coins of AMC's crypto? Or are you going to have people telling you that you can't go invest in that, you only have to buy shares of AMC? You see what I'm saying? No matter what happens, there's going to be groups of people who tell you you're doing something wrong, who tell you you're doing something right, who tell you that it should be this way or should be that way. Guys, at the end of the day, it's your money. Okay, if you want to go out and invest 100% in AMC, that's your decision to make. Is it a good one? I would say it's a little more prudent to diversify. I would say it's a little more prudent to go out there and have your money set up in a different account, a different company, a different investment, a different sector, and so on, so that in case AMC is going down or another stock is going up, you have the opportunity to take place in those gains as well. Guys, we've got people telling you right now, sell your AMC, go out, invest in something else, and bring your money back to AMC. It's a very strange time that we're in right now when people are telling you to leave AMC and come back later. We know who they are, and it doesn't make any sense. But I do have to say, if you do have other money, feel free to invest it in any other stock you want. feel free to go out there and participate in other gains. As a matter of fact, it's probably a much better strategy than putting 100% of your earnings or 100% of your capital into AMC stock, because then you're not going to feel that fear of missing out. Then you're not going to feel 100% locked down. You're going to be able to go out there. If AMC is sitting sideways for a while, you're not going to have that emotional attachment to it, and having no emotion tied to your shares of AMC stock is going to make you a dangerous short squeeze trader. Simple as that. The name of the game is the short squeeze. You have to hold those shares if you want to restrict the supply. If we restrict the supply, the volume goes down. If the volume goes down, days to cover goes up. If days to cover goes up, the risk for the hedge funds or the short sellers increases. If risk increases, they're more likely to either be willing to cover or they're more likely to get margin called on those positions because of the risk associated with those positions. Right now, we know that AMC's cost to borrow is low. Right now, we know that AMC is still trading at a decently high average volume. I mean, when you're looking at average volume and it's only resulting in a 2 to 3 days to cover average, the hedge funds have no concern about that. If we get an influx of volume, it's 1 day to cover, and then they're out. I don't want to see a 1 day short squeeze where we go up to $50. I want to see a prolonged short squeeze where we see AMC rising to these prices that everybody has been waiting for the better part of a year now. And I understand if you got in a little bit late, you haven't been here for an entire year, and you still got your stamina and excitement, but the time that we're in right now, with new investors getting excited about AMC, with safe money potentially flowing back into the markets, with people who once promoted buying and holding AMC now telling you to trade and sell AMC. It does seem to be some strange times that we're in, with all these people on the internet telling you what to do with your money. And I know that you guys agree, and I know that you guys know this by now, but I want to know if you've seen anything crazy. In the comments below, let me know the craziest thing you've seen surrounding AMC, because they do say that things, the calm before the storm, right? But it does seem a little eerie right now, with everybody posting their different opinions and different ideas and trying to draw everybody in different directions when it comes to AMC stock. And it's I guess if I could put it in terms, maybe the level of distractions are increasing right now and trying to get us to look elsewhere so that we miss something. Guys, it doesn't have to have an underlying meaning. AMC stock short squeeze doesn't have to have some hidden message. We buy, we hold, we win. So let us know down in the comments below, and if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram, Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.